If any of the parts and pieces on your Breg Polar Wave have worn out or been lost in travel or the dog ate it, we got you covered. We're gonna go through the Breg Polar Wave accessories, and I've got them all back behind me. So let's take you through what accessories we offer for the Breg Polar Wave. The first thing we have are ice bags. And we use this instead of ice cubes because ice is hard for your refrigerator to keep up with, and this will stay colder longer as well. So you get 12 in a pack. You can put 3 or 4 in the machine and then just keep rotating them, and that way your refrigerator doesn't have to try to keep up. These are very convenient when you're doing cold therapy treatments. The next item we have is our Omni Ice universal straps. And sometimes if you're doing cold therapy for 2 or 3 months, the straps that Breg gives you or some of the other manufacturers will wear out. We sell these replacement straps. So this is what we call a Y adapter, and this is for after bilateral knee surgery. So if you're having that, you can hook up 2 pads to 1 machine, and that way you can get your treatment. You don't need to get 2 cold therapy machines. If for some reason you lose your power supply or your plug, we do sell that as well. So that's made specifically for the Wave. And we also have a carry bag. If you're traveling and you're on the go and you need to take your stuff with you, this will fit the pad and the machine, and it's very convenient. And those are all the accessories we have for the Breg Polar Wave. If you thought this video was helpful, subscribe to our channel, give us a like, drop a comment down in the comment box below. But more importantly, let's get you moving again.